So here I got my DC combiner box. I've got 600 volt DC breakers here, one for each series circuit of PV inputs here. Those actually come in through here, and then they will go out through this EMT conduit. The ground wire for the racking will come in here, bond the ground that will go through the conduit. It's all on a DIN rail, and I made these T-bolt rails here to lock into the racking up on the roof. So that's pretty much the combiner box. Getting the ground wires ready. It's there, it runs there. That one provides grounding for the panels that sit on those two rails, and this one for these two rails, and then it goes into the combiner box, which will go down through the conduit I'm going to put on there. Also, bonded all the rails here that had a slip joint. Well, this thing probably worked pretty well. Gets it a little past the roof line, especially if I go way over here. And I think that will be pretty easy just to carry it over to that side. Here's a contraption I came up with to hoist the solar panels to the roof. That is like a pallet jack lifter type deal. Solar panels will sit between here and here to stop any kind of wind or whatever. When you get up on the roof, you release this, and this helps kind of keep it out of the way enough to slide the panels out. And they should slide right off here, gives you extra little bit on the roof edge.